Here's something that's a bit outside of boat building, but we use the same techniques. We're making up a platform to go onto the stainless steel frame in a swimming pool for teaching children how to swim, so they've got a nice stable platform. That's the frame in the water. That's what we've ended up with. So that's our template, and from there we're going to take that, trace it out on plywood, 12mm plywood, and cut it out from there. But to get to that point, we use 3 pieces, 3mm MDF. So we had a centrepiece, so that one there, and then what we did to get each end, we put another piece in place and traced it out to the stainless steel and got it fairly right. And in actual fact here, where we'd ended up with the gap with this one, I was able to pick it up with this piece here, this line here, and come straight down, so it worked really well. And this one's for the other side, so it fits in. You'll notice in the template it comes in like that, but when we've done the completed template it's radiused out, and it's worked out really well. To set them up, we just got lines traced on straight edges, so that when these pieces go on they line up to the lines, and that makes sure it all lines up. So when we put this onto 3mm MDF to do the full template, we just match these lines and it all lines, and it worked really well, as you'll see in the template. There's our template sitting on the water. Notice how good a fit we've got on the pipe each end. It's fitted really well, 10 times better than I even expected. And when you put it down, it sits down on our stainless steel now step, and we're laughing. So there it is, all in place underwater. So we've checked our template, happy as hell with what we've got so far. So the next one's to go away and trace it onto some plywood, seal it up with boat coat top and bottom, and away we go, and then glue it to the stainless steel frame. Now that we've proven our template, I've traced it onto our plywood, and the next step's to cut out the plywood.